Monsieur Scotty.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, or whatever you want to identify as, I really don't care today.
All right, so we've discussed this with William. Obviously, the rubber next to the exhaust, and it's just clamped on the factory hard lines. And,
You mean it's not supposed to be sitting on top of the exhaust and clamped stupidly?
you know, I get it. They made heat shields, blah blah, and did all this, and they did pretty nice on the fittings. It's good stuff. It's fuel injection hose. It's done nicely.
Yeah, I mean, I've seen way worse. Trust me.
I've seen way worse as well, but that's not how that should be. That I wouldn't use rubber there. That's using what you have on the shelf.
That should be.
Now this.
Ready, boys and girls?
We already
Dun, dun, dun. Oops, sorry, I didn't do that fast enough. That's
what it should be.
what you need. God,
that.
Oh, that's gonna be so
Or
nice
just
to
complete
run.
hard line.
Yeah.
So we have that. We have all of our fittings. We have our 90s. Rebecca, what are you doing?
This doesn't make me look. Is this okay for tonight's Halloween outfit? I don't know what I'd be. Oh, I could be a hose.
You could be a breathalyzer and have it
Oh God, yeah, me a breathalyzer on Halloween? That ain't gonna work.
Oh my God. All right, so we have 90s just like this. There's 90s. There's straight fittings. There's couplers to adapt from our hard line here to AN. We do have a -6 AN fuel filter on the way. It has not shown up yet. We also have 2 more straight -6 lines
That's funny. You said straight.
on the way. Anyway, Scotty, while you're here, can you show the fog light switch and the wiring that showed up?
So I guess that's what I get for being cocky.
Did you get a piece of the stainless in your hand?
Oh yes, I did.
Because you were being
I was being
snarky.
cocky. Yes, I was. So
You're being a snarky little brat.
I would use different words, but yes, I was being a snarky little brat.
Okay, so show us.
Are we ready? Are we ready?
Yeah. Ooh, there's the switch.
That looks so nice. I love
That's
that.
actually a 68 fog light switch for like Shelby, what have you.
That's gonna be
And
so
seeing we're
nice.
using 67, 68 Shelby fog lights, I figured having the switch that matches, very nice. And
Oh, yeah.
that's
No,
gonna
I
go-
agree.
That's going to go under the dash,
Yep.
all the way to the right.
So-
it's going to be very nice.
Click,
On, off.
click. Oh
The-
God, that sounds nice.
The circuit breaker isn't here yet, and then we can run the wiring the rest of the way, and we can get those mounted too. So we got that going. We got this going. We're waiting on 2 more fittings, and the filter, and then away we go.